The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Hakane kejing peniyang ya ke mau benar le dan langulat kejelau CH Vijay Shankar usumbut Menteri Rangba kejelau Pak Presiden Tensong Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Ubala Kemen Rembui Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture Ubasan Borsulai kinong elam keseng khasi beginong elam nikisnat boper na keleng kerilum khasi bat jentia. Ya pelat sapui tili mau benar ladap peniyang hau nulum bekentang nikisnat boper keseng khasi kemujengkan mau history bekerpang jang keseng khasi ya gabalasang ak arpulai truk nai wiang kesenam syajar praspa kendai hasilong hapok kejing betenenti jang babu jibon roy habakaran kejing elang ulat kejelau la banjur bagajing penek pensa kemariang kedai sibenta jang kalariti kejat benriu riulum ka Meghalaya kamtam hapdeng kipat khasi ke merengkat kejing dai bejan bagi klau jaga bagi jing dan jing em tenrai de ke shim bagi di jing ai sung bha jong nong bu nong thau ulong bagi mau benar kem dai tang ki mau dei di dak jong jing long kentang ki bami kemat de jing beteng jing klan bagi jing ken mau ko ba em jing long shwa man shwa bar ula banjur ke jing dan kam maniat rengkat bagi jing ya chaprang ke juk bagi jing long tenrai pat bat ke jing nget ke batik briu te blai ulat ke jelau ai ko blai ke seng khasi hakane ke jing kenjo yo mau mer bat unget scam bakane ke jing rake dap shispa arpusan senam kani ai penklan ye jing singo sarong ya la galariti ke jing teli ba ke jing penek pensa ya ki barem baja
ne ke jing sno jong ka long briu ba ka long ble kumta ka borble kame hukum kalaiki kala tempat kala penso hau hiu rengkat kalong yam long tom kalong riti kalong dustur ya ki bala pension norim hakabor jong ka hok tipsop tibriu tiblay tipor tikha bat ka akor ka burong.
So you signify that. It signifies. So you look like Hirot Singh. You look like exactly like Hirot Singh. Patukan Sanma, and also you look like Kiamno. There I play Saisisin but ya people it hot jong kaseng.
Religious background of this place, social background of this place, cultural background of this place, all your sentiments, carry with this hill. So in that way, it is my opportunity. After I come here as a governor after 14 months, every day, whenever I used to travel to Guwahati, all the times I think, when they